Welcome to the AI Accelerator by dm2find. My name is Martijn Hovinger, CEO of dm2find. Our AI Accelerator is a user-friendly platform that allows businesses and organizations to design AI-powered chatbots quickly by using natural language. Customers and internal staff can communicate with these chatbots through various channels, such as websites, SMS, phone, and email. Additionally, they can interact via popular social media messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Google Business Messages. Furthermore, we offer integrations with Google Sheets, Google Calendar, and Microsoft Outlook Calendar. With the AI Accelerator, you can create various applications, including customer service, answering inquiries about your services or products, lead generation, and much more. Charities could even use it to design a fundraiser to collect donations. You can find various examples on our website. We offer the AI Accelerator as a software as a service. This means that for a fixed and affordable monthly fee, you can use the software while automatically benefiting from any updates and improvements. Without any obligation, you can try the AI Accelerator free for 3 days. Additionally, we offer an hour of free consultancy to get you started and see the initial version of your own AI assistant in action. Register now for the free trial with the following link.